Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about lag and lead function in Oracle SQL. So let's start. So the lag function is used to access the data from previous row, whereas the lead function is used to access the data from next row. And we can use these functions with over and partition by clause. Now we'll see one example to understand this lag and lead function. So for that, I'll take the products table, which is having 4 columns. Uh, they are product ID, product name, price, and category ID. And now I want to add one more column which will fetch the price of the last row for each records. So for that, I will add the lag function. So I'll write lag and I'll take the price column and I'll use over clause for the order by. So over order by price, and I'll put some alias name for this column, which is previous price. Now we'll run this query. So now you'll see uh, all the records is being ordered by the price, and in the last column we are getting the price of the last row. So for the first row, the previous price is null as it is first row. For the second row, I'm getting the previous price, which is 700. For the third row, I'm getting the previous price, which is 1200. So like this, we are getting all the previous price for each record. Now we can add the partition by clause with the order by. So if you don't know about partition by and over clause, you can watch my previous videos. So I'll add partition by category ID, and then I'll rerun the query. Here we are getting the previous price for each records, as well as we are getting null 3 times. If you can see, because we have total 3 category ID: category 1, category 2, and category 3. And for each category, we are getting the null as previous price for the first record, because we use the partition by category ID. Now we'll see the lead function. So for that, instead of lag, I'll just use lead, and the rest of the things will be same. And in previous price, I'll use the column name as next price. So all the functionality of lead and lag is same. The only difference is that the lead function will give us the next price instead of the previous price. So let's run this. So you can see that for the first row, we are getting the next price as 3000, because the second row the price is 3000. Again we are getting the next price as 20,000, because for the next row the price is 20,000. Okay, and the rest of all the things are same for lead function. And now we can add one more column to find out the difference between the current price and the next price. So for that, I'll use lead function for the next price minus the current price. And now I'll run the query. Now you can see we are getting the difference of the current price and next price for each row.